Retinol is one of the most powerful skincare ingredients for smoother, clearer, and younger looking skin, but not all retinol products are created equal. Today we're comparing two of the most popular retinol serums, CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol and CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. Whether you're looking to fade dark spots, reduce acne scars, or target fine lines and wrinkles, I'm breaking down the differences in formulation, the texture, the skin type compatibility for these two, and how to use each for the best results. This video will be short and sweet, and I'll get right into it. And also real quick guys, before we get started, it would mean the world to me if you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe only if you enjoyed the content, and turn the bell on to stay up to date with new weekly videos. First off, both of these serums feature encapsulated retinol, which means the retinol is released gradually rather than all at once. This makes it more tolerable for those sensitive skin types. Now, it's possible that you've tried a retinol in the past and it maybe made your skin worse and backfired on you, causing you to never try retinol ever again. Well, chances are it may have been a retinol that was not encapsulated. Encapsulated retinol is different. It does a lot better job at bypassing the redness and peeling issues that the other hundreds of other retinols on the market are notorious for causing. The CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum, which is the blue bottle sitting at under 19 bucks, is specifically designed for those struggling with post-acne marks, uneven skin tone, and textured skin. Post-acne marks, uneven skin tone, and textured skin. Just remember that with the blue one. Along with the encapsulated retinol, it includes niacinamide, which helps brighten the skin while calming down inflammation, which is great if you have acne-prone skin, as it helps to keep the acne controlled. The niacinamide in this one is actually a larger amount than the renewing retinol, just FYI. But in addition to having more niacinamide, it contains one of my other favorite skincare ingredients, which is licorice root extract, which is scientifically proven to be brightening ingredient for hyperpigmentation in this paper here. But also licorice root is well known to even out skin tone for glowing skin, reduce irritation, increase hydration, lower inflammation in the skin, and is a great antioxidant for the skin. So definitely adding it with retinol is a smart formulation by CeraVe, and of course you're getting CeraVe's signature blend of 3 essential ceramides, ensuring that the skin remains hydrated and protected during your retinol journey. Now let's move on to the CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum, the purple bottle, sitting under 23 bucks, which focuses more on the anti-aging benefits by targeting fine lines, wrinkles, and firmness. Let's say that again: fine lines, wrinkles, and firmness. And just like the resurfacing retinol, it also contains encapsulated retinol, but what sets it apart is its addition of hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Hyaluronic acid helps draw moisture into the skin, plumping fine lines, while the shea butter in it helps the skin retain its natural moisture. And of course, you're getting the ceramides to maintain a healthy skin barrier at the same time. I want to point out another difference, although it's very small, is that the resurfacing retinol contains sodium hyaluronate, which is the salt form of hyaluronic acid, making it more stable and better able to penetrate the skin, while the renewing retinol contains hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which provides rapid hydration with a lighter feel. Let's move on to texture. The differences between these two serums are noticeable. The Resurfacing Retinol Serum has a lightweight gel-like consistency that absorbs quickly, leaving behind a matte finish, which makes it ideal for oily and acne-prone skin types. Meanwhile, the Skin Renewing Retinol Serum has a richer, creamier texture thanks to the shea butter and the hyaluronic acid, offering a more hydrating feel, making it better suited for dry and mature skin. I wanted to quickly talk about the percentage of retinol in these serums, but the percentage isn't directly listed on the bottle. But if you email them and ask them, you might get an answer just like this one. There is not a definitive percentage, as the formula is a mixture of free and encapsulated retinol. However, it will be around the safer dosage at 0.1%, which dermatologists recommend for all skin types. In my opinion though, the resurfacing one I think has a lower percentage because its directions on the purple one says apply in small dots where needed around the face, and the blue one says apply evenly to face daily, which makes sense since the purple one is tailored for more mature skin. Now, the reason why I'm not too bothered by this is because these two retinols are probably one of the best beginner-friendly and effective ones on the market. The extra hydrating ingredients make it pretty easy to tolerate, and it has a very nice application for both of them. Percentage doesn't matter as much as the formulation does. And to get the best results from either serum, you want to start slow.
Brian.
Well, I just think you're being taken for a ride, Lois. Like a snail on the back of a turtle. Slow down! I want to get there, but I want to get there alive!
Retinol can cause irritation if used too frequently at first, even the encapsulated forms, so it's best to apply it 2 to 3 times a week before gradually increasing usage as your skin builds tolerance to it. Daily use isn't necessary, especially if you're happy with how your skin already looks. You don't have to keep increasing the frequency of application. And remember to always use a pea-sized amount on clean, dry skin in the evening, not damp skin, guys. And follow that up with a moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and supported. I made a detailed video on avoiding all the retinol mistakes, which I highly recommend you to watch next. And of course, most importantly though, since retinol increases sun sensitivity, applying a broad spectrum of sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning is a must to protect your skin from UV damage. So which one should you buy? If your primary concern is acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and skin texture, the Resurfacing Retinol Serum is the way to go. If fine lines, loss of firmness, and dryness are your main issues, the Skin Renewing Retinol Serum will be a better fit. And no matter which one you choose, guys, consistency is key. Retinol takes time to show results, so be patient and stick with it for at least 8 to 12 weeks, roughly 2 to 3 skin cycles. There you have it, guys. Which one do you think is the better fit for your skin type? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell on for more skincare breakdowns. And until then, guys, I'll see you on the next one.